pushing my brother KRS-ONE. The fucking teacher.
Fuck that.
Unless you ever did it.
I'm standing next to fucking Capadonna. That's what this shit is.
Oh shit.
I told him to throw on something real slow so I could get down with a raw freestyle flow. Now I'm in the show. I'm doing it in the space. Pick up the Capadonna. You better keep up with me. I'm a real MC from 1983. I'ma tell you like this is the way to go. Every four, turn it down. Like that. I'ma keep going while you keep mixing the track. But every 4 bars I want you to do what you do. Well, I do what I do.